Hey guys, in today's video, you can learn to make this awesome looking Halloween cake. You can print my recipe to be able to follow along to my recipe more easily. It is in my description box if you want to check it out. To make this cake, you will need 1 egg, 7 tablespoons of oil, 9 tablespoons of white sugar, 12 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 150 milliliters of milk. The first step is to mix all the ingredients together. I decided to add 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips in the cake. In the second cake, I added some strawberries to make it different from the first one. Then, they were ready to put in the oven. I heated it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and they stayed in there until they were golden on top. The bigger one stayed a little longer because it had a bigger quantity of ingredients. To make the Oreo icing, you need to add in a big bowl 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 of a cup of butter, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, as much crushed Oreos as you want. I decided to cover all of the cake with my frosting. To make it pretty, I made a second icing, but in really little quantity with cream cheese and powdered sugar. I colored it purple. I used that icing to make little kind of flowers and used M&Ms to make a design on the side of the cake. Then I made a fondant using marshmallows and a tablespoon of water. I microwaved my little mix and then added my powdered sugar to turn it into a dough. Then I made some pumpkins and ghosts. My first ghost was the A in Happy and the second one in Halloween. One of my pumpkins was the O in Halloween and the second one was to put in the middle of the cake. I hope you enjoyed my Halloween creation. Stay tuned for next week's video. Bye guys!